Hi everyone, this is my fifth video, I think, in the series on building agents with Agent AI. So far, we've done a summary of what Agent AI is. We've built a simple tweet to research a company. We've gone loaded LinkedIn information about an executive. We've gone research news about an executive. This one is about uh, going and summarizing tweets by an executive. And so here, the flow again is very straightforward. Get the Twitter handle of the executive and then load the latest tweets and then summarize the tweets of that particular executive. And so the way to do this in Agent AI is I'm going to create a new agent. I'm going to start from scratch. I'm going to call it, and given the Twitter handle of the executive, this agent will return a summary of their tweets. I'm going to call it executive tweets. Just going to select an icon, do sales and marketing as usual. Trigger is manual actions. So, all right, let's go. Get user input. Enter the handle of the executive. Examples at, I don't know if that is it, but you get the idea. Output is out underscore handle. Save this. Then the next step is, now that I've got the handle, I want to go load the tweets. So again, in get data, you'll notice there is recent tweets. And I want to get the recent 20 tweets. That works. I'm going to insert the variable and output out underscore tweets and then save that. And then the last step is I am going to, oops, sorry, use the LLM. So again, I'm going to use 4O Mini. I am you with a list of tweets I would like you to generate summary about the tweets. And so again, this is passing the tweets, and this is going to give, so I would say out underscore summary, save that, and I'm going to now generate an output. So the output, show user output. I'm actually, in this case, one, I'm going to generate the summary, but I'm also going to just show all the tweets. So it's just how you can show multiple variables. So this is the summary from the LLM, and this is just the basic tweets. And let's see how this works. I don't need to worry about sharing in advanced. And then let's go and do executive tweets. Let me see. What is Dharmesh's Twitter handle is at Dharmesh. Let's try that out. Hopefully I got that right. Then we sit and execute this. And again, we can go to the dev console and you can see how that works. Got that. Did you get the recent tweets? Oh, yes, we did. Blah, blah, blah. And so you can see revolve around discussions related to AI agents, excitement about this, blah, 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 engages with followers, thanks them. And then you can see these are all the different tweets. It's not formatted. Um, Again, if I go back to my agent builder, the point is, again, the goal is to show you how to use these things. I could format this better using ChatGPT. I could do a better formatting in my output. So if I wanted to fix that, and that's probably something you all might want to look at, let's do something as simple as, and let's see if that works. I save this, run this, and it's now reloading. And I say add Dharmesh. Um, I should probably do a separate video on just formatting. There's so much that can go in terms of how to write this in a way that you can kind of visualize this, organize it. So you can see there's my tweet summary, and there is this, and these are the raw tweets. Again, I need to do a better job with the formatting, but you get the idea of how to use this to generate Twitter information about an executive.